Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at this faulty CD player from Yamaha. It's a CDX-550 and it's a machine from the early 1990s. As you can see, it's quite nicely made for the time. Aluminium front panel, metal case and everything. There's no plastic fronts for anything here. But the problem with this machine is it appears to be pretty much dead. You can hear something when you first power it on, but as you can see, there's no display or anything, so there's clearly something not right with it. So in this video we're going to take a look, see what's wrong and get it working. So first things first, we've just isolate the power, pop the case off, see what's going on. So as usual, you've got a couple of screws on either side, and on the back you've got a single screw. So we'll pop those out first. We've already got a screw missing there. It does look quite nice. I do like the Yamaha boards of the period where they have this sort of off-white colour, which is quite nice. We've got motorised output volume there, so you can remote control it, and it's all motorised as well. It's not stepped digital or anything. Display wise, it actually looks like it might be a backlit LCD, which at this time period I thought they were all pretty much fluorescent displays, so the fact that it's got a backlit LCD display is interesting. So we'll power it on and see if we do actually have any power. Oh, actually that's just spinning up now before I even got my meter. So it is actually looking for a disc, so let's see if we do actually have... Oh, interesting. That was unexpected. I thought the machine was dead. It's actually reading the disc as well. Now I've no idea. I wonder if it's because it's a backlit display then, that if it's just a bulb that's gone. Because that would be interesting. Because as you can see, there's nothing at all there. On this, that we've probably just got a bad bulb on the backlight. So if that's the case, then we've got a win with this machine straight away without much work. So what we'll do is we'll take the disc out. We'll just power it down a minute while I remove the backlight, and then we'll put a measurement, take a measurement, see what's what. So we have 2 screws holding it in. Okay, so that just all comes out, and give that a quick wipe as well because it's got some dust on it. So if we just, how do we get this open? Or do we not open it? Do we just pull that out? I think we just pull that out, to be honest. I could be wrong. And I think these come off, these little studs. So we just pull these studs out. Plastic pop rivets, something like that there. I can't think what the proper word is for them. But the Yamaha does use them on a lot of the stuff, especially tape decks. Right, does this all come off now? There you go, just push those back there. And now we've got the access to the box. I think that just comes out somehow. There you go. I didn't need to take that off after all. Well, that bulb's definitely gone anyway, it looks burnt out. So what I'm going to do is just strip these ends. And we'll just get a quick measurement of what's going on, unless I can actually see where this is coming from. Which one's the which? It's that one there. So that's the bulb there. So if we just take a voltage reading from that pin. Now I do have some grain of wheat bulbs, which I'm assuming will be a similar sort of size. Let's just have a look at the one that's there. It's a little bit smaller actually, is that? Try one of my other bulbs, which are a bit bigger. We'll try one of these ones. Right, so we just cut these off. Put the old weller on. Just strip these. Now, I do have a box of heat shrink somewhere. I'm not quite sure where it's gone, so I'm not going to be able to heat shrink these at the minute. Just tin these quickly. So I need to have a right good sort out my workshop and find everything since we've moved house, but yeah, I'm going to have to find my heat shrinks. So for the moment we'll just do this. Make sure there's no shorts. Let's check we have power. Yep. Pop that back into there. Hopefully it's going to be bright enough. Put this back on. Let's give this display a little wipe while we're here. Put those screws back in. Oh, that was these little rivet things, wasn't it? Pop rivets. Oops. What we'll do is take them apart first. Somehow. And we should be able to squeeze that bottom part back on now. Squeeze that through, it should go back on. Like so. Lovely. Pop that back into place. Just put these back on. Okay, before we put the case on, let's just have a quick look. Moment of truth, is if it's actually lighting up now. Oh yeah, I can see that now. I don't know if you can see that there, but it's definitely lighting up. We'll pop the case back together and give it a quick test. We were missing a screw, weren't we? So I'll have a quick look in my spare screws for something similar. That will do. It's not quite the same, but it should be the same thickness. Same thread, should I say. There we go. Let's double check we've got audio. So yeah, it's definitely playing now. And audio out. Excellent. So another machine saved. That was a nice easy fix actually, that. So it just goes to show, even on a machine from this period of the 90s, some stuff still has backlights in them, even though you wouldn't expect to see that unless it was from something from the late 70s, early 80s. So I hope you enjoyed that, found it useful. Please like and subscribe, and make sure you come back soon for more videos on saving vintage tech. Bye for now.